You have been made to believe that investing is complicated, that it's a secret game played by Wall Street experts in glass towers. This is not true. It is a lie designed to keep you on the sidelines. For over 50 years, the world's most successful investor, Warren Buffett, has used a timeless, simple system to build a massive fortune. His entire philosophy is built on one core idea: the economic moat. Think of a medieval castle. The most important defense was the moat, the wide ditch filled with water that protected it from attackers. A great business has a moat. It is a special advantage that protects it from competitors, allowing it to stay profitable year after year. In this briefing, we will deconstruct this system. I will give you the complete three-step formula to find these financial fortresses for yourself. Step 1. Identify the moat. A true moat is powerful and easy to spot if you know what to look for. There are 4 main types. The first is the brand moat. This is more than a cool logo. It's a powerful idea that lives in the customer's mind. It's why people will pay extra for a Coke instead of a generic cola, or why families trust Disney for entertainment. Their name is a fortress. The second moat is high switching costs. This is when leaving a company is a huge pain. Think about changing your bank. All the automatic payments, the direct deposits, it's a nightmare. It's easier to just stay. That's a moat. It's a comfortable prison for customers. The third, and maybe the most powerful, is the network effect. This is simple. The service gets better as more people use it. A social media site is useless with one user. With 1 billion users, it's a global force. Credit cards like Visa and MasterCard are another perfect example. The more stores that accept them, the more people carry them, and the moat gets wider with every single swipe. The fourth moat is the cost advantage. This is when a company can make or sell something so cheaply no one can compete. Think of Amazon or Walmart. Their massive scale allows them to demand the lowest prices from suppliers, and they pass those savings on to you. They simply win by being the cheapest. Step 2. Stay inside your circle of competence. This is Buffett's golden rule, and it's about intellectual honesty. Think of it like a home field advantage. You only play the games you know you can win. His rule is simple. If you can't explain what a business does to a 10-year-old in 60 seconds, you do not invest. It doesn't matter how popular the company is. If it's outside your circle, you stay away. Step 3. Buy a wonderful company at a fair price. This is the secret that most people get wrong. The goal is not to find a cheap, broken-down company. The goal is to find an amazing, fortress-like business and wait patiently for a chance to buy it at a reasonable price. There's a huge difference between price and value. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. You can buy a cheap tool that breaks after one use, or you can pay a fair price for a quality tool that lasts a lifetime. Buffett always buys for the long term. Now, a critical warning: do not fall into the value trap. This is when you see a bad company whose stock has become very cheap. You think it's a bargain, but you're just buying a ticket on a sinking ship. Remember the rule: a wonderful company at a fair price, not the other way around. So that is the complete blueprint. 1. Find a business with a powerful and easy-to-understand moat. 2. Make sure you understand the business completely. And 3. Have the discipline to buy it at a fair price. This is not a system for gambling on stocks. It is a proven, long-term strategy for owning a piece of the best companies in the world. This is the physics of fortune.